So I've been playing Fruit Ninja on my phone recently, and I was wondering what would this look like in real life? So today, we're taking photos of sliced fruit flying through the air. Unfortunately, I don't have a katana or a ninja sword. Instead, I'll be using this traditional gaucho knife, handcrafted by my mother as a gift. These blades were traditionally used for butchering cattle or carving opponents during knife duels. Today, I'm going to use it to cut fruit. The fruit we'll be cutting are kiwis. Kiwis are very underrated fruits. They're dull and hairy on the outside, but a lot more appealing once you cut them open. So today, we're going to slice them up to get to that juicy green goodness. There are many ways to cut open a kiwi, but because this is a ninja themed video, I'll have to show you the traditional way. So let's cut to the chase. Or you can always cut it like a normal human being. Once you have your kiwi slices, you'll want to pierce them with a thin stick. I'm using unlit sparklers because they're flexible. Take your kiwis off the table, set up your camera on a tripod, and take a picture of yourself cutting through thin air. Next, place the kiwi sticks inside some cups so that they hover above your cutting board. With the kiwis positioned, take a picture again while repeating the same motion you did in the previous shot. Once you have your images, it's time to combine them in Photoshop. So place the photo without kiwis as your background and the image with kiwis as a layer on top. Then, hide the background and use the magic wand tool to erase everything around the floating kiwis. When that's done, you can stop hiding the background, make some minor positioning adjustments if needed, and you are set. Well, that wraps up this tutorial. If kiwis aren't your cup of tea, you can always substitute any fruit of your choice. The shooting and editing process remains the same. See you next time, and make sure you continue to get your daily servings of fruit.